Have you ever drawn a building, a room, and something just doesn't feel right? The drawing looks okay, but the depth feels wrong. That happens to you, it's usually perspective issue. In this video, I am quickly showing you a few common mistakes beginners make in perspective drawing. Mistake number one. No clear vanishing point. One of the most common mistakes is drawing depth without a clear vanishing point. In perspective, any line that goes back into space should follow a direction. Those lines are randomly, drawing will feel distorted. Even in a freehand drawing, the vanishing point should still exist. Mistake 2. Ignoring the horizon line. The horizon line represents your eye level. If you don't think about your eye level, the drawing can feel confusing. A higher horizon feels like you are looking down, and a lower horizon feels like you are looking up. Mistake 3. Details not following the perspective. Another very common mistake is drawing windows and doors flat. The building might be cut, but the details don't follow the same perspective. Every window, door, and edge should follow the same vanishing point. Mistake 4. Focusing on perfection too early. Many beginners worry too much about perfect straight lines, but perspective is about direction, not perfection. Loose drawing can still look realistic if the perspective is correct.
See, if you want to learn 1 point and 2 point perspective step by step, I've created a full beginner-friendly Udemy course. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!